Stella. Today I will be talking about my most memorable memory and why. Did you have your most memorable memory? I think Japan Osaka is my most memorable vacation place. There are two reasons to support my answer. First, I went an amusement park, Universal. Universal is the second biggest amusement park in the world. I love this place because there are so many exciting playthings. For example, there are train expresses and the Harry Potter Express etc. These are so excited and fun. It's also amazing. Also, there is Nintendo World too. In Nintendo World, there are Mario and Luigi characters. These are racing cars too. Universal is my best amusement park I went so far. It's so great. Second, I went to Kyoto. Kyoto is a city in Japan. Kyoto has many Japan's traditional foods and buildings. For example, there are Kinkakuji, Kyoto Tower, Ninenjaka, and Sunenjaka streets. I like to learn other countries' cultures, so I'm so excited when this place. I take a picture and play there. Also, there are so many delicious foods, so I love Kyoto. There are ramen, takoyaki, and Japan's traditional foods. These are so delicious. In conclusion, my most memorable vacation place is Japan because I went to amusement park Universal and I went to Kyoto. Thank you for listening my video.